What's up, people? It's the boy Triplellls, and you're watching Triplellls TV. Thanks for tuning in to the video. We're gonna do some curry chicken, not chicken curry, but the same thing. Yeah, I think it's the only Guyanese I ever heard say chicken curry, but we say curry chicken because we have curry the chicken, right? So yeah, thanks you guys for tuning. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys press that subscribe button and make sure you guys turn on that bell, touch that bell, turn it on so you get notified each time I upload a video. So yeah, just stay tuned, watch the video. Yeah, your boy gonna chef it up. So yeah, this is the chicken that I'm gonna be used. So yeah, this is the chicken that I'm gonna be used. So I'm gonna take it out of this container, cut it up smaller, peel the skins off. I mean, yeah, you guys can use any chicken, but use this chicken. So this is how I peel the skins off. Make sure you take off all them fat. Yeah, so once it looking clean like this, throw it back in the water and just take up another one. Do the same thing. So when you guys finish peeling the skin off, you're gonna get fresh water and pour some vinegar in to keep your chicken clean. Yeah, I'll use my vinegar to wash off my chicken. So yeah, now that I finished cutting up the chicken, peeling the chicken, skin the chicken, wash the chicken, everything, the chicken is good now. Now I'm gonna put in my seasoning, like my stuff I'm gonna cut up with it, plus the seasoning. Alright? So let me show you what me put in my chicken, this season it up. So here I have the chicken. I have my Irish. I got my onions. Got my carrot, I got my scallion, and these are the season that I'm gonna be using. Yeah, I just realized I didn't have any pepper because I always try to use pepper in my curry chicken, so I'm gonna use this. I used it before in other cookings and it's pretty hot, so I'm gonna use it instead of the pepper because I don't have any pepper right now. And this is the curry seasoning or curry powder. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut these up and then pour my seasoning in. Or you can pour your seasoning and then cut these up any way you choose to do it. I mean, so you can cut those up the way you want it, the way you prefer. I mean, I choose to cut it up like square dice and like dice. So yeah, like this now. You don't need to cut this up. Like wash it off, rinse it off, and just give it a little beat, and just throw it in just like that. Maybe you can just cut it in two and just throw it in just like that. That's the way I do this. I don't need to cut that off. So yeah. So see you guys back when I finish cutting up my seasoning and my stuff to make my food taste real good. You know what I mean? Alright, catch you guys back. Alright, now that I have everything seasoned up, ready to go. Yeah. Curry chicken ready. So I'm gonna get one of them Dutchy pot or a frying pot to fry my chicken a little bit. And as I say in my previous video, I always fry my chickens.
Don't like white chicken, like black chicken.
I just like my chicken like fried, so yeah. I'm gonna get a fry pan, pour some oil in, then start to fry those. Then the boy will get started cooking. Yeah, so now I have everything done, seasoned up and everything already. So what I'm gonna do now is get a frying pan, pour a little oil in, fry them down a little bit, let it get a little brown, and then throw the water in, then cook it down, like everything cooked down. Never trust a skinny chef. Glad me fat. Yeah. So the pot I'm gonna use, yeah? The pot I'm gonna use, yeah? Alright, so I have a little oil, some oil in a pot right here. I pour some curry inside. Chicken. So I'm gonna start put some of the chicken inside the pot one by one. So I just keep my oil is hot already. So when you guys finish putting all this chicken in the frying pot, you're gonna get some water and pour inside the basin where the chicken was before. So when the chicken like finish fry, you can just pour this all in one time. And remember people, when you're using curry, you gotta be extra careful. Not to mention when you're wearing something you don't want to get messed up. Try to prevent and try to be careful when you're using curry. Yeah, so now that I pour everything into the pot, so I'm gonna leave that right there for it to cook up and everything. So when it's all done, I'll come back to you guys and show you the finish. Alright, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hey, make sure now watch the video, you know, and make sure to subscribe to your boy channel, you know, cause yeah, you don't know a thing already. Triplellls TV. Yeah, your boy a Superman. See them guns? See them guns? Yeah, so stay tuned. When the thing done, the link in the back. You see it? Superman out. Yeah, so now that everything is done, it's just boiling down, cooking down a little bit. Got like a minute left. All done now. My curry chicken is all done. Yeah, so that's all you guys look cook chicken curry, curry chicken. Yeah, that's it for now. I already got some rice, as you know, rice my favorite. Yeah. We Jamaican, we not left for white rice at all. White rice and curry all the way. So who know they love the curry chicken and white rice, just comment below and leave a thumbs up. It's a boy Triplellls, and me I say thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching the video, and if you're new to the channel, thanks for hitting that subscribe button, and thanks again. It's your boy Triplellls, Triplellls TV. I'm out.